Question number 12. Tan theta by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta by 1 minus tan theta equal to 1 plus sec theta into cosec theta. Now left hand side, tan theta by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta by 1 minus tan theta. Now simple way, tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta. 1 minus cot theta equal to cos theta by sin theta plus cot theta equal to cos theta by sin theta by 1 minus tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta. Is equal to sin theta by cos theta by, this is LCM, sin theta, then sin theta into 1, sin theta minus sin theta divided by sin theta equal to 1 and 1 into cos theta plus cos theta by sin theta by, this is LCM, cos theta minus sin theta. Now यहाँ डिफरेंट आपका sin थीटा माइनस cos थीटा है, यहाँ cos थीटा माइनस sin थीटा है. यहाँ से माइनस कॉमन लेकर के ये जब माइनस कॉमन लेंगे ये प्लस ही माइनस हो जाएगा और sin थीटा बाई cos थीटा इंटू sin थीटा बाई sin थीटा माइनस cos थीटा प्लस ये माइनस हो जाएगा और यहां इसका साइन चेंज हो जाएगा cos थीटा बाई sin थीटा इंटू cos थीटा बाई sin थीटा माइनस cos थीटा. Now sin into sin square theta by cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta and minus cos into cos square theta by sin theta into sin theta minus cos theta. Now LCM, sin theta into cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta. Sin theta into cos theta and sin theta into sin theta minus cos theta divided by cos theta into sin theta cos theta minus cos theta. कैंसिल तो देन sin स्क्वायर थीटा इंटू sin थीटा sin क्यूब थीटा एंड माइनस cos क्यूब थीटा. नाउ sin क्यूब थीटा माइनस cos क्यूब थीटा इक्वल टू sin थीटा ऑफ होल क्यूब माइनस cos थीटा ऑफ होल क्यूब बाई साइन थीटा इंटू कॉस थीटा इंटू साइन थीटा माइनस कॉस थीटा. नाउ फॉर्मूला ए क्यू माइनस बी क्यू इक्वल टू ए माइनस बी इंटू ए स्क्वायर प्लस ए बी प्लस बी स्क्वायर. नाउ साइन थीटा माइनस कॉस थीटा into a square, that is sin theta of whole square, plus ab sin theta into cos theta plus cos theta of whole square by sin theta into cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta. और sin theta minus cos theta will be cancelled. Then sin a square theta plus cos a square theta plus sin theta into cos theta by sin theta into cos theta is equal to sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1 plus sin theta into cos theta by sin theta into cos theta is equal to 1 by sin theta into cos theta plus sin theta into cos theta by sin theta into cos theta. Cos theta will be cancelled, sin theta will be cancelled, is equal to 1 plus 1 by sin theta cosec theta and 1 by cos theta sec theta equal to RHS. Question number 14. Cos theta by 1 minus tan theta plus minus sin square theta by cos theta minus sin theta equal to cos theta plus sin theta. Now left hand side, cos theta by 1 minus tan theta minus sin square theta by cos theta minus sin theta. Now break cos theta by 1 minus sin theta by cos theta minus sin square theta by cos theta minus sin theta. Now cos theta by cos theta LCM, cos theta minus sin theta minus sin square theta by cos theta minus sin theta is equal to cos theta into cos theta, cos square theta by cos theta minus sin theta minus sin square theta by cos theta minus sin theta. This is LCM. Cos theta minus sin theta. Cos theta minus sin theta divided by cos theta minus sin theta is equal to 1, or 1 into cos square theta. Cos square theta minus sin square theta is equal to cos theta of whole square minus sin theta of whole square by cos theta minus sin theta is equal to, this is form of a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. Now cos theta plus sin theta into cos theta minus sin theta by cos theta minus sin theta. This is cancelled, 1, or 1 into cos theta plus sin theta is equal to cos theta plus sin theta equal to RHS. Question number 15. 1 plus tan square theta into 1 plus cot square theta equal to 1 by sin square theta minus sin to the power 4 theta. Now proof. Left hand side, 1 plus tan square theta into 1 plus cot square theta. 1 plus tan square theta equal to sec square theta into 1 plus cot square theta equal to cosec square theta. Sec square theta equal to 1 by cos square theta into cosec square theta equal to 1 by sin square theta. This is from sin square theta minus sin power to the power 4 theta. Cos square theta will be changed. 1 into 1, 1 by cos square theta equal to 1 minus sin square theta into sin square theta equal to 1 by 1 into sin square theta, sin a square theta, and minus sin square theta into sin square theta, that is sin to the power 4 theta equal to RHS. क्वेश्चन नंबर 16, tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta, 1 plus tan square theta of whole square plus cot theta by 1 plus cot square theta of whole square equal to sin theta into cos theta. Now left hand side, tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta of whole square plus cot theta by 1 plus cot square theta of whole square is equal to tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta equal to sec square theta of whole square plus cot theta by 1 plus cot square theta cosec square theta of whole square. Now tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta, बाई 1 कर सकते हैं, बाई 1 इंटू 1 बाई सेक टू दी पावर 4 थीटा प्लस cos थीटा बाई sin थीटा बाई cosec टू दी पावर 4 थीटा by 1. Now sin theta by cos theta into 1 by cos to the power 4 theta plus cos theta by sin theta into 1 by cosec to the power 4 theta. sin theta by cos theta into 1 into cos to the power 4 theta by 1 plus cos theta in by sin theta into 1 by 1 into sin to the power 4 theta by 1. और cos to the power 4 theta है, cos theta है, 1 cos theta will be cancelled, then sin theta into cos cube theta plus sin to the power 4 theta by sin theta, that is sin cube theta into cos theta. This is common, sin theta into cos theta. Now cos a square theta and plus sin a square theta is equal to sin theta into cos theta और sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1 is equal to sin theta into cos theta equal to RHS. Question number 17. Sin to the power 6 theta plus cos to the power 6 theta equal to 1 minus 3 sin square theta 1 minus 3 sin square theta into cos square theta. Now left hand side, sin to the power 6 theta plus cos to the power 6 theta. It is written as sin square theta of whole cube plus cos square theta of whole cube. Now a cube minus plus b cube, a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. This is formula. Now solve it. तो sin square theta plus cos square theta into a square, that is sin theta of whole square minus ab a cube plus b cube equal to a plus b of whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. Now a plus b, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta of whole cube minus 3ab, 3 into sin square theta into cos square theta into a plus b, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta. और sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. 1 of whole cube minus 3 into sin square theta into cos square theta into 1. That is 1 minus 3 sin square theta into cos square theta. RHS. Now राइट साइड को देख करके चलना है, दाई साइड क्या लाना है उस पर फॉर्मूला इंडिकेट करना है और उस फॉर्मूले को फॉलो करते हुए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन को बनाना है. सेवेंटीन ऑफ फर्स्ट एक थर्ड देखिए. कोसेक टू द पावर 4 थीटा माइनस कोसेक स्क्वायर थीटा इक्वल टू कॉट टू द पावर 4 थीटा प्लस कॉट स्क्वायर थीटा. Now left hand side, cosec to the power 4 theta minus cosec square theta. Now common cosec square theta, then cosec square theta minus 1 और cosec square theta equal to 1 plus cot square theta. Cosec square theta minus 1 equal to cot square theta. Cosec square theta minus 1 equal to cot square theta. लास्ट क्लासेज में बताया गया था फॉर्मूला. cot square theta into 1 cot square theta plus cot square into cot square cot to the power 4 theta equal to RHS. Now question number 18. First, 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta equal to cos square theta minus sin square theta. Now left hand side, 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta by cos square theta by 1 plus sin square theta by cos square theta. Now LCM, cos square theta, cos square theta minus sin square theta by cos square theta LCM, cos square theta plus sin square theta. Cos square theta will be cancelled and cos square theta minus sin square theta by cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to 1. Then cos square theta minus sin square theta equal to RHS. Now 29 and 19. Tan theta by say theta minus 1 plus tan theta by say theta plus 1 equal to 2 cosec theta. Left hand side, tan theta by sec theta minus 1 plus tan theta by sec theta plus 1. Tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta by sec equal to 1 by cos theta minus 1 plus sin theta by cos theta by sec theta equal to 1 by cos theta plus 1. Sin theta by cos theta LCM 1 minus cos theta plus sin theta by cos theta by cos theta LCM 1 plus cos theta. Cos theta will be cancelled. Now sin theta by 1 minus cos theta plus sin theta by 1 plus cos theta. This is LCM 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta divided by 1 minus cos theta, then 1 plus cos theta remaining. So sin theta into 1 plus cos theta. Similarly, sin theta into 1 minus cos theta is equal to sin theta into 1 sin theta plus sin theta into cos theta plus sin theta into 1 sin theta minus sin theta into cos theta by a minus b into a plus b, that is a square minus b square. A is the one whole square minus cos theta of whole square. Then plus sin theta into cos theta minus sin theta into cos theta. Cancel. Sin theta plus sin theta 2 sin theta by 1 minus cos square theta is equal to 2 sin theta by 1 minus cos square theta equal to sin square theta. और स्क्वायर से यह साइन समाप्त. तो 2 by sin theta equal to 1 by sin cosec. 2 cosec theta RHS